Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing all USB drives and external disks so the firmware won't try to boot from them. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI. You need to confirm the internal drive appears and is set as the first boot device. If the drive is missing, reset SATA/NVMe cables or disable fast boot. These steps force the controller to redetect hardware. Once done, make sure you have recovery media ready to run diagnostics or repair tools if the firmware sees the disk. You now boot your recovery USB and choose the repair environment so you can access command tools. For Windows, run bootrec/fixmber/fixboot and /rebuild to restore the bootloader. bcdedit can inspect entries. For Linux, root into the system and reinstall grub with grub install and update grub so the kernel is findable. Also run file system checks, chkdsk, or fsck to repair directory structures. If file systems report physical errors, pause and assess drive health with SMART before proceeding. You finish by rebooting to confirm the operating system loads. If it does, restore any temporary BIOS changes. If the error persists, use a second system to image or clone the drive to preserve data before attempting a clean install, because reinstalling can overwrite recoverable files. Make sure to test the drive on another machine or check SMART attributes to determine if the disk is failing. This single hardware check often explains repeated OS, not found errors and guides whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.